Okay, road conditions in Ponca City right now. I just turned on to 5th Street. I don't know why I'm heading towards my usual turn, heading to work, but yeah, oh well. Time right now, 2:27 p.m. As per normal, it looks like the city may not have gotten their plows out, or at least, you know, they're not keeping them running as hard. What the rest of the way looks like. Yeah, I mean, if you don't have to be out in this mess, don't do it. Stay in, stay warm. If you gotta go out, dress in layers. And if you have to drive in it, slow down. These wind chills are, you know, fairly low. I don't have a number on that right now. And the temperature on my dash is reading 9. So yeah. Alright, well, okay, Hartford doesn't look too horrible. Whoa, a little wiggle in the turn. Well, I take that back. Yeah, it's just as bad as it's just as bad as 5th Street almost. Whoa, let's back her down a little bit. I'm currently doing just under 20 at 35. Now to back it down just a little bit more. So far, whoa! You see that one up ahead? Coming off of Fairview by the hospital. Oh boy, it was all over the place. Managed to get her collected and back under him where it belongs, but yeah. That was dicey. Okay, so we're coming up on 14th here at the light. And we should be, now we're coming up on a DOT maintained area. That should change the game a little bit. We'll see how well DOT's handle 14th Street, which is the main highway going north and south through Ponca. doesn't look as bad, just from sitting here. All right, let's see. Well, no slip, I'll give it that. All right. I mean, 14th isn't perfect. It's better than the other two. Excuse me. Starting to get a little bit of a tickle in my throat there. All right. And of course, with these temperatures, it's going to take a little longer for your vehicles to warm up. So, easier on the throttles, until you get some heat built up. Also, it's going to take a little longer for that windshield to thaw out. I've still got a little bit of a few frozen, icy spots on my windshield, but nothing major. Alright, I'm able to do just a hair over 30 without much in the way of any kind of trouble. Let's see how it does coming up on this intersection. Alright, now just give you an idea what kind of vehicle, because that's important. I'm driving a 2018 excuse me, Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. It's only the front wheel drive version. I don't have the 4-wheel or all-wheel drive. So, yeah, I mean, I kind of think that's probably a little important there, because if I still had the old Jeep, just drop it in 4 and go, just be careful with it. But yeah, in this case, no, that's what I'm driving here. Now the route I got planned, down through here, down to 60, and then out east. Up on the hill to the casino. Alright, so overall 14th is not horrible. Could it be better? Yes. Is it somewhat drivable? If you use your head, slow down, and don't drive like an idiot. You'll be okay on 14. However, if you're young, 16, 17, 18-year-olds, don't even try it. Y'all don't have the experience behind the wheel and this kind of stuff. Whoa, mama! Okay, so that gives you an idea what South Avenue's like. That was a 4-wheel drive, and he was having trouble, keeping it under him. Keeping it straight in that turn. Alright, so south of South Avenue into the 50-mile-an-hour zone. And yeah, it's still getting kind of nasty through here. Surprisingly, with this being such a dry, fine powder on this snow, we're not seeing a lot of drifting. But, you know, it's hard. We may not have gotten all of it yet either. Alright, so we are still here on 14th. Still driving along here. Now, as soon as I get to work, I will get this uploaded. So y'all gonna get the raw video. You're not getting an edited version. The videos I put to this are all unedited. You know, the most I might edit out is driving to a location. That's if I don't just turn the camera on and kind of leave the camera off until I get there. You know. You know, as far as spring storm footage, that's a little different ball game. Alright. No, you're not going to get an hour of me driving to a location. You might get an hour of me running from one if it goes bad enough. But overall, yeah. Okay, so getting ready to turn on to 60. And let's see how the DOT's done okay on, you know, 14th. But let's see how they've done on Highway 60 itself. Oh, okay, people. If you have to leave Ponca, you know, if you have something, you're planning on coming out to Osage. I know my boss is going to kill me for saying this, but you know, if you're planning on coming out to Osage tonight, or even one of the other casinos in or around Ponca City, don't. You know. We'll happily take your money other nights, but or other days. Don't do it today. It's not worth the risk, y'all. This is a 50-mile-an-hour zone. I'm on the bridge right now, and I'm only doing 30, and even that might be pushing it. Cannot see the lines whatsoever. Basically, I'm just trying to stay in this, you know, somewhat clear slot and go with it. All right. But yeah. Like I said, do not go out. These roads are, especially Highway 60 right now, is sketchy. Alright, so we're coming up on top of the hill. I'm going to give it a little bit more gas here. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but that noise you're hearing, besides my windshield wipers and that thing, damn spam callers, is me driving on snow right now.
Is there any
Hold on. Yeah, that's me driving on snow right now. So yeah, it's a little sketchy. Alright, so about to turn off here into the casino parking lot, and we'll see how well my facilities crew, which are phenomenal normally, have done. Alright, so that being said, I'm here. Y'all hit that like button, subscribe, you know, if you want to see more storm video, and hey, leave a comment. How bad are conditions where you're at? Yeah, have a good day, or evening, afternoon, whichever one, whenever you're watching this. Have a good one.